Good morning, dear children. Now, we were studying about exponents and we have studied about the laws of exponents. Now, children, when you are given questions in exponents, now, after you have learned the laws of exponents and the various formulas by which the exponents can be solved, you will not directly solve. Like, for example, in my previous class, I have given a question. For example, 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3. Now, many students have solved it like 2 to the power 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. You have written it 8 times into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2. And then you have cancelled. And then you have written the answer as 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 32. Now children, this was correct till the date you have not studied about the laws of exponent. Once you have learned the laws of exponent, you will be now using the laws of exponent. So when you are using the laws of exponent, this question will be written as 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3. This will be equals to 2 to the power 8 minus 3. Why 2 to the power 8 minus 3? Because you will now write the reason. Since a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. So this reason you have to write it, and then you will write 2 to the power 5. Then you will solve 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 32. This is how you are going to use the laws of exponents. Similarly, when it was a question given like 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 6, you have again expanded the whole expression and then you have solved. Children, this is again wrong. This again you have to use the laws of exponent. So first you will write 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 6. Then you will write 2 to the power 5 plus 4 into 3 to the power 3 plus 6. Again you will write the reason. What is the reason? You are using the quotient rule. So we will write a to the power n into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. You will write it. Then you will write 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 9, and then you will expand. You will not just directly expand. You will do this as per the laws, and then you will expand. Again, children, when you are solving these, I can see, if suppose the question is 2 to the power 5 into 3 square into 2 square, children, you are writing it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then equals to 3 into 3, then equals to 2 into 2. This is completely wrong, because this expansion is not equals to this, not equals to this, not equals to this. This whole expansion is 2 to the power 5 into 2 square into 3 square. You will not individually write like this. First you will use the laws. So it will be 5 plus 2 into 2 square. Now you will write the reason. What is the reason? Reason is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Then you will write 2 to the power 7 into 3 square. All whatever the numbers are given will be written in a same equal to sign. You will not separate equal to the power 7, and in the next line you will not write equals to 3 square. It will be in the same line itself, and then in the same line you will write 2 into 2 into 2 7 times, and then you will write 3 2 times, all in a single line. There will be no double line. Like in first line you will not write the 2, and in the second line you will not write the 3. All will be in the same line, and then you will solve. So it will be 128 into 9. 128 into 9, so 972 and then 7, 9 to 80, 9 to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 2, 9 is 9, 10, So see, you may get the answer same, but there is a procedure of solving. So since you have learned the laws of exponents, so you are going to use the laws of exponents only. Again, in my previous class, a homework was given was 3x to the pi 27 y square to the power 4. Now, the whole expression is in the form of a by b to the power m. So, it will be 3 by x to the power 4 by 27 y square to the power 4. Why? Because it is in the form of a by b whole to the power m, which is equals to a to the power m by b to the power m. Now, when you are opening the bracket, see, this is again one of the laws of exponent. This is a into b to the power m. So, it will be 3 into the power 4 into x to the power 4 by 27 raised to the power 4 into y square raised to the power 4. Again, we have a laws of exponent. So, we will again write it is a into b whole raised to the power m. This is a to the power m into b raised to the power n. So, this question indicates that in a single question we need to sometimes use more than one laws of exponent, or and then you can solve this, or alternatively for your ease of calculation you can see that the question is 3x by 27 y square to the power 4. So, before we start applying, we can see that 3x by 27 y square, it can be simplified within the bracket. So, it will be 1 by 9. So, we have x by 9 y square whole to the power 4, and now we will, I am just copying it. So, x by 9 y square whole to the power 4, and now we will use our in laws of indices. So, it will be x to the power 4 by 9 y square whole to the power 4. We will write the reason. It is in the form of a by b whole to the power m, which is equals to a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. So, this will be x raised to the power 4, and what will it be? It will be 9 to the power 4 into y square to the power 4. Now, again you can see the denominator is again in the form of a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. So, this will be x to the power 4 by 81 into 81 into y 2 into 4. You will write the reason. It is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, which is equals to a raised to the power m into n. So, you will write x raised to the power 4, 81 into 81, it is 5. It is 6561 y raised to the power 8. So, this is your answer. Clear, children? So, there can be two ways. If any fractional question is there, if before using the laws of exponents, first you can solve. If it is getting simplified, you can solve it, and then you can start using the laws of indices, or you can start using the laws of indices. It will be a bit difficult for calculating, because 27 to the power 4 is a bit difficult, and so, but both are correct. Clear, children? So, once you have learned the various laws of exponents, now henceforth whenever there is any questions you will be getting, you will be now using the laws of exponents to solve. So, all of you, whether your work has been approved or there has been mistakes in your work, you will again do all the questions. I will just show back which all are the questions. These questions that were given on 5th May, all these questions, as well as the questions which were given on 6th May. All these questions again you will solve using laws of indices, particularly those who have not used the laws of indices, and I have approved their work, and even if I have mentioned that in the comment section, you will again solve it. Only those who have used the laws of exponents you will not solve. Rest all, whether your work has been approved or it has been sent in the draft, you will again solve the questions using the laws of exponents. Along with these questions, I will give you few more questions to be solved. Thank you.